we have had an amazing time out here with Dirt Bike Holidays. I just love Spain. We will be back home tomorrow. Check out this video of us riding. Enjoy!
So the day starts the right way. Kay cooked us a lovely, full English breakfast, and we helped ourselves to a nice mug of tea, no rushing. After breakfast, everyone was getting ready our kits already in our rooms when we arrived. While we was having breakfast, Steve, our guide, was getting the bikes ready for us with last-minute checks. Once we're kitted up, and a short introduction to the bikes and a few riding tips. We're on the bikes and heading out, easing into the trails through olive groves and up into the hills. The riding's relaxed. Everyone's riding their own pace, enjoying the views. No egos involved. After a couple of hours, we stop for coffee, have a chat, take it all in, then carry on along the mountain tracks. The routes just flow, carefully planned, so you can enjoy the ride without worrying about what's coming next. Then a couple of hours later, we roll back in and greeted with a nice, light lunch. Today it's burgers and chips, an ice-cold beer, and a lot of smiles. That's a pretty typical day with Dirt Bike Holidays.